Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abia if you're new here, and today I'm gonna take you guys along on my evening routine. I'm kind of in shambles. It's giving shambles vibes. I'm on my period and I'm taking everything one step at a time so I don't fall apart. So as you can see, my apartment is in complete and utter shambles, so I have to do some cleaning tonight, and I'm gonna make dinner, and then I'm also going to bake some banana muffins. Come along the journey, come along for the ride. Let's go have dinner. I'm having a wrap. I had a salad kit and some chicken, and I put it in this protein wrap and with some cheese. It's giving McDonald's snack wrap, and that is gonna be my dinner. Is it falling out? Yeah. Is it huge? Oh, sure. I'm watching All American. What are you guys watching?
Everyone can see that SJ's crazy. It's just a tragedy. SJ's crazy town was wasted throughout the season.
Are you pretty?
Hey, how's that for?
All we know is that he was a high school All-American, so strengths, weaknesses.
I finished dinner and now I'm going to clean up. We're gonna clean up. We're gonna tackle all that. Let's do it.
Love interrupted by tragedy, lost in the drought of nightfall, running in search of the remedy, trying to find her place in it all, focused only on the negative.
I cleaned up my living room. Now more cleaning. Now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen. After I clean the kitchen, I'm going to make my banana muffins. And as you can see, I'm starting to look more and more disheveled by the moment. My kitchen is a disaster. Just like me, my kitchen is a disaster.
But as time moves on, she's drifting away from me. But did the ocean breeze specify you?
Alright, I'm gonna start making my banana muffins. I actually have a recipe. I have this little book that I have some recipes in, and I wrote this down like I think a couple years ago. I think during quarantine I was doing a lot of cooking. So
on the run from yourself, on the run from yourself. Concrete will shape to quicksand. Just when you think you're in.
Muffins are in the oven, and my evening routine is coming down to a close. My last thing is I will take a nice shower, do my skincare, and then I'll get ready for bed. So I will bring you along for my little nighttime skincare moment routine, and I'll put you on to something real quick. I got this new body wash from Target. It's the brand Method Body, and it's citrus, ginger, sea buckthorn, and it smells, oh my, it's like nothing I've ever smelled before. It smells like the freshest citrus orange. Oh my gosh, and it makes your whole shower smell like this. Like, it's really strong. So this makes me excited to take a shower. I also got one of those, like, this might be TMI, those flamingo razors at Target, because I keep buying the disposable ones, and I was like, you know what, let me just bite the bullet, get this, so I don't have to keep on, like, you know, wasting all of the razors, and you just like replace the cartridge and it just sticks on there. Super cute. Oh God, look at this guy. We're gonna deal with this later. Okay, see ya. Like what? Okay, just got out of the shower, and for my evening skincare, I use the CeraVe Ultra Hydrating or just Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Already use this in the shower. Every other night, I use retinol, and this is from the brand Inky List. And you just need the smallest amount, folks. I like to do like the excess that's on here. Instead of wasting it, I put it on my neck. Your neck gets wrinkly too, folks. But for moisturizer, I use the CeraVe moisturizing cream. And that's usually my evening skincare. I gotta treat this here zit on my face. So I'm gonna go in with a pimple patch. These are from Mighty Patch. Evening skincare routine, and let's go check on the muffin. Hey, look how good they turned out. Yum. So good. That is my evening routine, you guys. I obviously don't bake every night, but this was just a little peek into what I'm doing tonight. I watch some more of All American, and maybe I'll watch a couple YouTube videos. Probably start editing this video, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming along, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.